In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automated messages in Crisp Live Chat. By the end, you'll have a friendly message that pops up for visitors at just the right moment without anyone on your team having to type a thing. Start by opening your Crisp dashboard. In the left menu, head to AI Agent, or it may appear as Automate depending on your workspace. From there, open Message Triggers. This is where you'll create the rules that decide when a message should appear to your website visitors. Click New Trigger to begin. Give your trigger a clear, memorable name like Welcome Pricing Visitors. Good names make it easy to recognize what each trigger does later, especially if you create more than one. Next, turn on Show a Message. This is the content your visitors will see. Keep your message short, warm, and helpful. For example, you might welcome them and offer quick assistance or share a link that answers a common question. Aim for clarity and a simple call to action, like inviting them to reply if they need help. Now choose when the message should appear. You have several event options. Delay sends the message after a specific number of seconds, which is great for giving people a moment to settle in before you reach out. Page visited triggers the message on certain URLs, perfect for pages like pricing or checkout where assistance can drive conversions. Click Event displays a message after a visitor clicks a specific element on your site, ideal for guiding them through key actions. Exit Intent appears when someone is about to leave, giving you a chance to offer help or a reminder before they go. And Custom User Event allows your app or site to signal a specific action to Crisp if you have advanced tracking in place. Once you've picked the event, set the delay or conditions. If you're targeting particular pages, define those URLs so your message appears only where it's most relevant. Keeping your conditions specific helps ensure visitors see messages that make sense in the moment, rather than generic nudges everywhere. When everything looks right, save the trigger and make sure it's enabled. That final switch is what turns it on for your live visitors. That's it. Your automated message is now active and will appear based on the rules you set, helping visitors exactly when they need it, without an agent having to jump in manually. It's a simple setup that can make your support feel faster, smarter, and more personal.